What does x in range equals y mean in Python 3? I just stumbled upon the following line in Python 3. I was expecting this to be true since 1 in range 2 is true and true equals true is true. But this outputs false. So it does not mean the same as 1 in range 2 equals true. Furthermore, it does not mean the same as 1 in range 2 equals true, which raises an error. Despite years of experience in Python, I am taken off guard. What is going on?
This is due to the fact that both operators are comparison operators, so it is being interpreted as operator chaining. This URL. Comparisons can be chained arbitrarily. For example, x less than y less than equals z is equivalent to x less than y and y less than equals z, except that y is evaluated only once, but in both cases z is not evaluated at all when x less than y is found to be false. So it is equivalent to
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.